Here we have the Dragon Slayer utility pant. Lightweight enough and breathable so they can actually be worn all year round and can really stand up to the weather conditions in the winter and are actually breathable and comfortable enough in the warmer weather as well. 7 oversized belt loops for a 2-inch web belt. True fit micro-adjustable elastic waistband for a custom fit. A super fly with a metal zipper. Wrangler front pockets with a reinforced patch for clipping your knives. We also have cargo pockets, prevent snagging. Very durable, closed with some heavy duty Velcro. A diamond gusseted crotch for greater range of motion and reduced chafing. Wear guard patches on the inside of the cuffs for maximum durability. A fully adjustable ankle straps that keep the dirt out. These pants are NFPA 70E, NFPA 1977.